Hello, welcome to OCL Soundwave's newest podcast sequence, Splash with OCL. This new sequence will provide you with what is happening at the Ocean County Library. We will discuss book recommendations, new materials, upcoming events and programs, brief author talks, exciting news we would like to share with you, and other things worth mentioning going on within our library community. Here today I have Eleanor, the branch manager of Lakewood. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, thanks.
Good. Eleanor here has something very exciting to discuss with you guys. What's happening at the Lakewood branch coming soon in November.
Yes, I am excited to invite everyone to celebrate Lakewood's 25th anniversary of joining the Ocean County Library System. The city of Lakewood had a library for a long time, but in 1999, it officially became a part of Ocean County Library. 25 years later, we want to celebrate. We have two really exciting events lined up to commemorate 25 years of being a part of OCL. Thursday, November 2nd, we're holding a fall festival. It starts at 2 p.m. with a reception featuring light refreshment. At 3 p.m., we have special visitors, live alpacas from the out-of-sight alpaca farm. This program is super fun and informative, and everyone who attends will get to pet a real live alpaca.
That's really exciting.
It is so cool. They are way softer than you think.
Oh.
After the alpacas, there will be family-friendly craft stations set up all over the library, including green screen fun, painting with Sphero robots, and creating fall-themed decorations.
Eleanor, going back to the beginning, because you're the branch manager of Lakewood, how long have you been the branch manager at Lakewood, or how long have you been working at Lakewood in general?
I have been working in Lakewood since 2005, so that's a little over 18 years.
Yeah.
I've only been the branch manager since January. So
that's awesome,
less than a year.
And what an exciting thing to be a part of, especially as the new branch manager, the 25th anniversary. It's really exciting.
It's really fun, and I just love this place.
Yeah.
So it's been great. We started looking through old pictures.
Oh.
And it was totally different in 2005. There were, no computers. The computers they had looked ancient. Yeah, and looking at the pictures of the building when it opened in 1999, the cars look like they were, from the 70s. And it was like, oh, no, that was just 1999.
Now, are these pictures available for patrons to come and look at? Are they going to be
We're going to have them on display during the festivities.
That's really cool. That's so exciting.
It's awesome.
Now, going to alpacas, have you had them here before? I know other branches have had the alpacas come to programs for them before, but you guys have also had them.
Yes, we are bringing them back because they're so much fun. The people from Out of Sight are fantastic. And then, who doesn't want to see a cool alpaca?
I know, I've never seen one. I would love to. Another question for the alpacas. It's an all-family event, so any ages can come and attend, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, that's great. Awesome. Eleanor, I also noticed that you have another event happening on Saturday to kind of continue the festivities for the anniversary.
We sure do. On Saturday, November 4th, we're very excited to be presenting a concert with Dakota and Elle. The concert will start at 2 p.m. Dakota and Elle are a singing duo who will perform a mix of Broadway, classic, and contemporary music.
Ooh.
This is the first time they will be performing at the Lakewood branch, and we are so pleased to be hosting them. All of these events will be happening at the Lakewood branch, which is located at 301 Lexington Avenue in Lakewood, New Jersey. You can register for the events by calling us at 732-363-1435 or by visiting our website at theoceancountylibrary.org.
That's right. You can also find out about these special events and any other programs the Lakewood branch or any other branches may have on our social media, websites. You can find out listening more to our podcasts and splash sequences.
Everyone here at the Lakewood branch hopes to see you on November 2nd and November 4th.
Very exciting. Thank you so much, Eleanor, for being here on the Splash sequence. We really appreciate it, and we're very excited for the 25th anniversary of the Lakewood branch.
Well, thanks for having me.